with my clicks though. Welcome to the melting pot.
En este momento está despejado y la temperatura es de 63 grados. Las temperaturas van...
I got it made. If Jesus paying LeBron, I'm paying Jamal. If you said she would live.
This is a squash handle coat plug, the dash kit. We are using Maestro. There's a bunch of wires using Alpine head unit. They have this Maestro harness. This is 2013 Honda Accord LX. We are doing a Alpine radio with a Maestro module. Somebody already got the radio out, but I'm going to explain to you how it's going to be coming out. First thing you're going to do is to remove these silver trims on both sides. Then there are two screws here holding on to the pocket. Remove that. It's supposed to have a screw underneath. This one, they took it out. There's no screw there. So you're going to pop out this top panel here. And it should be two screws on the top. Then this thing, you're going to remove this side out a little bit. Then radio comes out. Now, on this one, as you can see, there are two 8mm that's supposed to be on it, but somebody got the radio out before. That's mounted from the bottom up like this. So that's underneath. That's why you got to take this out. But in our case, we didn't have to because somebody removed that 8mm. So once you have this one out, disconnect all the harnesses, everything in the back. We do have a Maestro harness that plugs in here, and we're going to connect it to Alpine radio. We do have this Maestro harness that's made for Honda. It's HLHO2 that gives you junction wire between the factory plug over to new Maestro harness. And I already flashed that. You just simply match the colors. It came with that's like a Sony plug or Kenwood plug. Obviously that doesn't fit because this one is much wider than the Alpine one, which is much skinnier than. So that doesn't fit. So you're just simply going to cut off the end of it, which we're not going to use. Match the colors, color to color, red, yellow, black, green, pink, purple, whatever color you see here, you just cut off one by one and transfer over to new Alpine radio. A little confusing. This one is a lane changing cam, so we're going to hook that up to the front view and rear view. The rear view is obviously backup cam, and this is a lane watch cam, which we're going to hook it up to the front view. That plugs into this C connector that goes into factory side. No connection on this purple one. The black one connects to this factory side, not the factory side, the Maestro side, and the rest all should plug it in. So we got the speakers connected, power connected. We are also connecting the amp turn on that goes to, there's a Maestro amp tunnel. Where's the Maestro amp tunnel? I just told you to connect that. Yes, you gotta connect that. No, here. That's amp tunnel, same one. Got most of them plugged in. Let's see if it comes on. Okay. Radio works. It's beautiful. First,
there's some commonalities, but fewer than people imagine, right? What do you say? Curious.
let's put it together.
The you know, unsurprising ones like resilience and determination and grit.
Okay.
What's up, Frank? Brandon, how are you, man? I'm good, man. Thank you.
Ponle la cara, ¿ves? Pero no le ajustes todavía. No, pero todavía falta poner estos. No creo que esto salga, man. Mira ese. De acá. ¿Cómo está el clima?
With my flicks, though. Welcome to the melting pot.
En este momento está despejado y la temperatura es de 63 grados. Las temperaturas van...
I got it made. If Jesus paying LeBron, I'm paying Mars. That you would live.